current edition,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Right.
Okay, so you hit play and you hit play and let's go.
Okay.
Okay, so one of the things we talked about was using video we've already shot. This is a preview video that I've already shot. Tom's sending it to you.
And the answer is because they're inverses of one another.
And you're going to see my face appear in a minute, but I like how it has this overview, and let's replace that beginning piece where we write it and then we erase with this piece in the video. And you'll see me pop up in a minute. And it'll be section by section. When you get to the 5.2 section, you're going to take that piece of me and then add some things popping up, because this is still the preview piece before we get into the details.
The most common natural base. It's that letter
You'll hear me talk about log and ln, and I'll talk about a calculator. We have to get rid of that HP calculator that y'all are using and use a TI.
Pulled out of their hat. You will actually see where it comes from as you get into the chapter. It's the natural base. After we talk about exponential functions in their graph, we're going to move to their inverses, which are logarithmic functions.
So we're talking about inverses.
Graphs. The fundamental two logs, we can take a log of any base, but the
So
two
this is where we have a log 10.
are common logs, which are log base 10, and natural logs, which are log base e, ln.
We talk
Under
about this
calculators,
later.
You'll actually see an log button and an
So
ln
we could have a
button.
calculator pop up right now while I'm
We
talking and show the log button and the
will
ln
talk
button.
about applications of logs, just like we'll talk about applications of exponentials.
Vic, we're thinking about the model that you showed me with the market analysis video, where you've got the instructor on screen with the animation in the background.
Now, one thing we do want to do after
Take a very large scale.
we have a piece on this. It's the log, it's the frequency example.
And that's what logarithms
Then after the 5.2, I want you to skip to the very end of this video because I have this signature little piece that I'd like us to use.
Should I skip there now?
Go ahead and skip now. I always say, that's it, get reading, I'll see you in the chapter or something like that. I think it's important to use that because it feels like I'm coming with
There's some
them.
fun examples in that section. So that's it. Start reading, and I'll see you in the chapter.
So that piece right there feels like I'm coming with them as we dig in. Okay? And my thought was, like when I'm in the very beginning just talking about, you'll see an log button, an ln button, it'd be okay for a calculator to pop up, have that log like you currently have that lights up, an ln button light up. I think that would just make a connection, because then when we come back to it in the example, same calculator, same buttons, okay? Now the next one I wanted to hit, you want to stop that and then chunk it?
Let's
Okay.
stop that.